Tired of dirty floors even after cleaning? Pet hair, dust, and stains everywhere? This can really help. Today I'm showing you sweeping cloths, microfiber wet mop pads, a simple and smart way to keep your floors clean every day. These mop pads are made from high-quality microfiber, so they pick up dust, dirt, and pet hair very easily. You can use them dry for sweeping or wet for mopping, so one pad does both jobs. They are super absorbent, which means they soak up spills and fine dust fast. These pads are reusable and washable. Just wash them in the washing machine and use them again. No need to keep buying disposable pads. They are compatible with most Swiffer Sweeper mops, 10 to 12-inch size, but not the XL version. They work well on wood floors, tiles, marble, laminate, vinyl, and more. You get 4 reusable mop pads in one pack. Please note, the mop is not included. If you want an easy, reusable, and budget-friendly way to clean your floors, this is a great choice. And buy the product link in the description